Hi and welcome to Cheeky Richo Cooking's creamy Southwestern chicken balls cooked in the pie maker. We've got flesh of 4 chicken legs here with 125 grams of cream cheese, some panko breadcrumbs to roll them in. We've got some veggie salt we are just going to sprinkle all over our chicken, which have just been roasted, with a half a teaspoon of freshly cracked pepper, and we have some Texas barbecue seasonings. So we're just going to put a couple of shakes on that, give it some nice flavour, bit of spice in there, mix it all together, roll it in our breadcrumbs. We've got the Sunbeam Pie Magic 4 and we're going to brush it with some oil and cook our creamy Southwestern chicken balls. The first thing that we're going to do is just mix our chicken up so all the seasonings are well distributed. Lots of lovely flavour there. You can put paprika, you can put chilli, you can put whatever you like in this. We've just got some room temperature cream cheese that's just been cut into 1 centimetre dice, and we're going to mash that all together, roll it in our panko breadcrumbs, and then cook it in our preheated pie maker. And they're going to be absolutely crispy, delicious, creamy. You can serve them with some sriracha sauce that's been mixed in some mayonnaise or some wedges of lemon, whatever you like. Onto this part now. The cream cheese is going to hold it all together. You don't want too much because otherwise it'll just melt and you won't be able to get it out of the pie maker. You're going to stick to our old faithful of popping a little strip of baking paper in the bottom of it so they don't stick, and you can turn them over easily because you're going to have to turn them over because we can't make them too big, otherwise they will have trouble cooking. Okay, now it's all mixed together. Now we're just going to roll them into little balls about the same size as a golf ball, about that big. You can see how it's holding together quite well. They'll be gooey, spicy, chickeny and creamy. Try and get them about the same size if you can. Press them all together. Any air in there is going to expand while they're cooking, and that'll make it a little bit more difficult to turn them over. We tried these in America. I have no idea what the recipe was. As I was eating it, I was thinking to myself, how can I make these at home in the pie maker? And we should have enough here to make 8 chicken balls. Now you can deep fry these if you like. I wouldn't suggest air frying them because the cream cheese will melt out of it and you won't get a nice crispy finish on it. Just press them as firmly as you can together. 8 chicken balls ready to go. Okay, here's our little strips of baking paper here. We're just going to lay them in the bottom of our pie maker like I've shown you before, and we're just going to roll our chicken balls into our panko breadcrumbs and press them well in. Now these are going to be quite delicate when they're cooked, and you can just pick them up and pop them into your mouth before they decide to melt on you. Okay, so we just got some oil here. Plenty of oil here because we need these crumbs to be quite crispy, and the top. Put our papers in just like so, and drop our little chicken balls in on top. Close the lid. Okay, we're just going to check on our little chicken balls now. They haven't melted at all. Getting a nice bit of colour on them. Just keep turning them over until you've got all surfaces nice and brown, like so. And there you have a Cheeky Richo Cooking's Southwestern chicken balls cooked in the pie maker. Slide the wrapper off, and they're very, very delicate and they're very, very delicious. Hope you enjoyed this little cooking demonstration. If you'd like to see more interesting recipes and ideas, just check out our Cheeky Richo Cooking channel, and don't forget to please subscribe, and do come back and visit us again soon. We have so much more to show you, and we're uploading lots of videos, and thank you very much for watching. Okay, have a little taste, shall we? Grab one of our little balls, put some of our sauce on it, bit of spice in there. I'll have a little bite, shall we? It's like a really creamy chicken mornay. Absolutely delicious. 4 chicken legs makes 8 chicken balls. Perfect finger food at a party. Thanks for watching.